Wait a minute. All right, so now that you got that part, you're supposed to be hooking it onto your finger.
I am already. I ain't even do that.
Yeah, you did. You only supposed to go around one time.
I didn't even. So before you get to that part?
Yes, but that's fine. Just hook it onto your finger and then just act like it's not even there and just continue to play. This piece should be coming around.
It is?
Yes.
Oh.
Bring it around. Yup.
No, I did it wrong.
No.
I did.
You had it. You was getting it in.
That's what came.
You might as well just take this out.
Yeah, but like, where's the cake?
Now, when you start it, it's going to be easier for you to plait it, get it in on that first stitch. Part it diagonal. Then when you take it around, 1, 2. Now your finger, that's right there. Here. Oh, you got it? Take it around. All right, now your finger up again. But you got it in though. Here. Your next one was supposed to go on your finger when it came back to the other side. Here.
I just messed up.
It's okay.
You don't see how you got it on?
Can you look? I mean, it's here comes her. Oh, this is far. All right, so everybody knows it's Winter's birthday, so we just want to sing happy birthday. Okay, that's alright. So not too loud, because the baby's sleep. Don't get carried away. All right.